Every single day, you look right through them without a second thought. If you own a modern car, your rear window is covered in a series of thin, mysterious horizontal lines. They are completely static, permanent, and look almost like a manufacturing defect or a strange radio antenna grid. But they are not there for decoration, nor are they a design flaw. In fact, if these thin stripes suddenly disappeared, winter driving would turn into a blind, hazardous nightmare. The moment you press a single button on your dashboard, an invisible force activates right inside the glass. These mysterious lines are actually an array of micro-radiators. They are printed onto the glass using a specialized conductive material, typically a silver ceramic paste, which is then baked into the window. When you activate the rear defogger, a 12-volt electrical current flows straight into this grid. As the electricity encounters resistance within the metal stripes, it creates a physics phenomenon known as Joule heating. Instead of wasting energy, the lines safely turn electricity into pure thermal heat. Within seconds, the temperature of the glass rises just enough to melt away whatever is blocking your view, operating in total silence without a single moving part. But why do cars need this grid in the first place? Your front windshield gets cleared by powerful blowers blasting hot air directly from the engine. However, sending hot air all the way to the back of the vehicle is an engineering nightmare. By the time the air reaches the rear window, it loses its speed and drops in temperature. Running massive plastic ventilation ducts through the entire roof or floor would waste massive amounts of passenger space. Furthermore, rear windows are made of tempered glass, which behaves very differently from the laminated glass in the front. It is designed to shatter into tiny, harmless cubes during a crash. Baking a microscopic electrical circuit directly into this tempered layer was a stroke of absolute engineering genius. But the engineers didn't stop there. Over time, they realized this metallic grid could solve another major automotive design problem. Older vehicles used to have long, ugly metal whip antennas sticking out of the body. They were prone to rust, ruined the car's aerodynamics, and easily snapped off in automatic car washes. Modern car designers realized they could use the exact same horizontal heating lines as a hidden radio antenna. By installing a tiny electronic filter behind the plastic trim, the grid can safely heat the glass and pull AM/FM radio signals out of the air simultaneously, completely eliminating the need for an external mast. Despite its brilliant design, this system has one fatal vulnerability. It is incredibly delicate. Because the grid is printed on the inside surface of the glass, any deep scratch from heavy cargo or a careless razor blade during window tinting can physically sever the thin metallic line. If a line breaks, the electrical circuit snaps, and that specific section of your defogger will die forever, leaving a permanent band of frost on your window. Luckily, because it is an open parallel circuit, one broken line won't kill the entire system. And if you ever damage them, you don't need to replace the entire window. A tiny brush stroke of specialized conductive silver paint can instantly bridge the gap and restore the circuit. It is a silent, almost invisible masterpiece of automotive engineering. It keeps you safe, improves your car's aerodynamics, and even tunes into your favorite radio stations, all without a single moving part. So, the next time you clear your frozen windows with the push of a button, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science baked right into the glass. If you love uncovering the surprising histories and hidden technology behind the simple things around us, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives.